Hi, in this video I'm looking at this question here where 15 students have put their name in a hat and we want to know how many different selections of 4 names can be drawn out. Now if you think about this, 15 people are unique, so we can't have duplicates, and this is a question about using the multiplication principle where you're not allowing duplicates. So if we think about it, we're going to draw out 4 names, and sometimes drawing an image can help us. So if I draw this out and I think about the number of people that I can represent my name. So this is name 1, this is name 2, this is name 3, and this is name 4. And I want to think about the number of people I can get for each name. If I think I've got my hat, I draw out my first name, I've got 15 options for who that name could be. And then if I think about my second group, my second name, I've already drawn one student out. I can't reproduce that student. So I've only got 14 students left because I've already removed one. Go on to the third student, and now I've taken out 2 students altogether. So I've got 13 students left to pick between. And for the last student, I've got 12 left. So when you don't want duplicates in your combinations, you've got to work out your decreasing amounts that's happening each time. And that creates your groupings for your multiplication principle. So my first grouping is 15, my second grouping is 14, my third is 13, and my last is 12, and I multiply all of those together. Working this out, and we find that there are 32,760 possible combinations of drawing 4 names out of 15 students.